What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday morning today. It is the weekend and Alex and I just came back from the gym. We just had a little workout this morning and I'm about to make breakfast. We made potatoes yesterday and we have a lot of leftovers. I'm gonna make breakfast potatoes. I'm gonna make eggs, you know, like good breakfast. I'm excited. If you guys know me at all, you guys know that I love potatoes. And then we have a lot of cleaning to do in the apartment today. My cousin is actually moving in for like a month and a half with us until she moves into her own place, so we have like a lot of tidying up to do. We have to get her room ready. She's arriving tonight at 7, I believe. That's what we had discussed. And we also have like a few things to do. If you watched our last vlog, we went shopping in Laval and we bought a few things and we have a few returns to do, so we have to go do that too. I don't know if we'll have the time to do it today. I thought we would, but maybe it'll have to go tomorrow. So we've got some returns to do, and what else do we have to do? We'll see. Like, there was a few things that I wanted to do, but it'll really depend on if we have the time or not. I also have to film a fall haul for you guys, which I'm very excited about, but I just want to get those returns and exchanges done before to make sure that I add everything into my fall haul. So I'm gonna go make breakfast right now. I'm really excited. We also love our Nespresso machine. Like, we've been using it every single day, so I'm gonna make an espresso. I think I'm gonna make an iced Nespresso this morning, and I'm very excited about it because the last one I had was really good. So I'm gonna make breakfast and I'll show you guys like the finished product. You guys know I love my food and breakfast is just like always the best. Like, you never can go wrong with breakfast. So I'm gonna go make breakfast. I'm excited to show you guys how everything turns out. All right, I made breakfast. It looks a little bit messy, but it's gonna be really good. So we made potatoes, some eggs with a bit of cheese, a sausage, and then I've got my iced Nespresso right here. And yeah, that's breakfast. I'm super excited to eat. Alex is already done because my Nespresso was taking too much time to froth the milk. Like, the milk was just taking way too much time. So he finished, which is fine. But I'm gonna eat. I'm excited. And then we've got a lot of cleaning to do. Alright, you guys, it is like 4 o'clock. I haven't vlogged all day. We've just been cleaning the entire apartment and I didn't bother to vlog it because honestly it just wasn't interesting. And my brother came over at a certain point. He picked up a few things to bring back to my mom's house. Just was not interesting. But we are currently going to Alex's mom's house. We're gonna eat dinner there and we also have to open our tent. I don't remember if I mentioned this or not. And this is my little outfit. Honestly, I was really confused on choosing an outfit because it's like warm but cold outside and we have to like put the tent up, and I'm like, am I gonna get hot while putting the tent up? But then at the same time, like, I know there's AC in his mom's house, so I'm like, I don't want to be cold. So like, I was overall very confused on like my outfit, but let me show you guys. So I decided to go with the classic black Align leggings, the one with the pockets, a black t-shirt, and a jean vest, like a vest, little jean cover up, jean vest. Like, how would you call this? Yeah. But this is what I'm wearing. So we're gonna go open the tent and then we're gonna come back home, and my cousin is arriving around 7. Is that what I meant? I think that's what I mentioned earlier. Yeah, she's arriving around 7, so we need to be back pretty early. So we're gonna go, we're gonna open the tent, and oh, hi Alex. We'll be back. What is up, you guys? It is the next day. I haven't vlogged like that much, especially yesterday. Like, I feel like I haven't vlogged at all, which is fine. It's gonna be a smaller vlog, which is always nice sometimes. But we are headed to some outlets to go check out a few things, and I have some returns to do. So we're returning some of the Nespresso pods that we got last weekend, and we're returning some of the clothes that I got last weekend also. And then I will have a haul for you guys eventually. I'm just waiting for like some things to come in because I did order stuff, and I'm just waiting for those to come in because I do want to include them in the haul. So hopefully they come in like this week so that I can do the haul next weekend. If they don't come in this week, I'm gonna be really sad. So but yeah, we're heading out, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. Why am I like, I can't figure out my words. But yes, we're going there, and then we're going to the mall to return stuff, and then, oh yes, we're also going to HomeSense. We're gonna go check out their fall things, see if they have any interesting fall things, and I'm bringing you guys along. All right, we made it. We're gonna go check out a few things, sorry. We're at the Tanger outlets in Ottawa. I'm excited to see what we find. Maybe we're not gonna find anything. Like, I'm not here to like shop since we did shop last weekend, but I wanna check a few things out, so I'm excited to see. All right, you guys, we just finished up at the mall, and one of the things that we were doing were exchanges and returns, and one of the exchange that we did was for Nespresso pods that we got like 2 strips of, and we didn't really love them. We preferred other ones, so we were exchanging some. And one of the flavors that they didn't have when we originally bought our Nespresso pod was the pumpkin spiced. I don't think it's like pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin spice cake, that's what it's called. And we got it. Like, look at this box. They had it here, and the box is just like so nice. And we haven't had Nespresso today yet, so we're going back home. Alex is gonna try that one, and I'm gonna drink an iced coffee, so I'm gonna make a different pod, but we are going to taste it, and I'm so freaking excited about it. So yeah, we're going back home, we're going to drink Nespresso, and we're so excited. This is our life now. All right, Alex is making his Nespresso, and he says he can smell the, what is it, the cinnamon? But I can't smell it, but I'm excited to taste it. And then also, I've just prepped my class. I'm going to be doing this one right here. It is the Bianco Leggero. It is so good. Sorry, there was no more room in my camera, but yes, I'm doing the Bianco Leggero, which is my favorite to do iced. It is so freaking good. So if you're looking for something to try out and you've never tried out any Nespresso pods, these ones are definitely the ones that I recommend. They are the best. So Alex is gonna finish his coffee, like prepping it, and then we're gonna do a little taste test, see how it tastes. I'm so freaking excited. All right, you guys, I made my iced coffee. Look at how yummy this looks. All right, so we just went to the grocery store, so I'm gonna do a little grocery haul for you guys. We got a few things for the week. We planned out our meals for the week, so we had like a few things missing, so this is what we got. So I got some nuts, like Inferno nuts, that's how they're called, for like snacks during the week, and then I also got like these rice cakes for during the week. I got some kale, some green onion, garlic, avocado, and then I also got some lettuce and broccoli. And now it's time to meal prep. So we're going to meal prep. For dinner, we're making Greek bowls. You guys know, like, we love our Greek bowls. And I'm making salads for the week. The ones that I showed like a few vlogs ago that I was making. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do 4 of them for the week. And then on Friday, we usually order at my work. So order food bad. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna clean the kitchen because it's like all over the place, and then I'll make dinner. I'm really excited for Greek bowls. They're gonna be so good. And then there's a TV show that we watch called Occupation Double. It's like Quebec show, and it's starting tonight, and I'm so excited to watch it. And Alex is watching it with me this year, and my cousin's gonna watch it with us too, so I'm very, very excited about that. All right, you guys, we made our Greek bowls, and then my cousin brought chocolate milk, so we're drinking chocolate milk just like kids. It makes me think of when we were kids, which is really nice. And then our Greek bowls, I've shown this recipe so many times before with the tzatziki. We're trying to figure out the TV situation to watch our show because we don't have the cable. But yeah, so we don't know what's going on, but it's not working right now. We do have an Apple TV, and usually like just airplaying it works, but this time it's not working. So we're gonna figure this out, eat dinner, and hopefully we're able to watch our show. What is up, you guys? I realized I never ended off this vlog, and I'm currently editing it, so I'm ending it off right now. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and be ready because fall is here, and I'm super excited for the fall content. I've already got a few videos pre-filmed, and they will be rolling out within the next few weeks, and I'm super excited about them. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.